Hi everyone, my name is Bill, and in this video I'm going to explain how you can make this text effect using Photoshop. And also I want to let you know that I post videos just like this every week, so if that's something you'll be into, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's get into it. First, come down to this little icon and then create a solid background. Choose your preferred color you would like to create your text on. Now type in your text and then align it to your canvas. Now it's time to import your subject which you'll be using for your text effect. So I'm going to import this image of a creature I made. By the way, this is a project I made a while ago. So now change it to a smart object. Just right click and then come down to convert to smart object. And then when you are done with that, align it to your text how you prefer. So I'm going to align it this way. And then also, I don't want the tail of my creature to be out this way, so I'm going to use Puppet Warp to change its position a little bit. So just come up here to edit and then come down to Puppet Warp, and then you want to create 3 points, one here, one over here, and then one at the tip. So I'm going to use this to change the position of the tail. I'll add one more point here and then turn it this way. Click enter, and then what you want to do after here is you want to create a clipping mask so that your creature only affects your text. So just right click and then come down to create clipping mask. Now create a duplicate of your subject. So just click Ctrl J and you get a duplicate of your subject. Now what you want to do is to create a clipping mask for your subject. Just come down to the mask icon here and then create a mask for your subject. And then you want to invert the mask. So to invert the mask, just click Ctrl I and then the mask will now be inverted. Now you want to paint back the areas, some of the areas on top to give that effect. So just come to your brush tool here and then make sure the white is on top. If the white is not on top and the black is on top, just click on X and then it will change. So when I click on X, you see it changes. So make sure the white is on top. Now you want to paint back the areas you need. So I need this area, so I'm going to paint it back onto our image. And then now we have our text effect right here. Now you can add a shadow if you want. So I'm also going to add a shadow to this text to add some more spice to it. So just come to your text layer here, and then come down to the FX icon here, and then click on blending options. Now you want to come to drop shadow and then check it, and double click on it. Now you can manipulate your shadow how you want. So I'm going to keep it at this angle. I like this angle of my shadow. You can as well change the distance, the spread, and also a few things, but I think I like my shadow just the way it is, so I'm just going to leave it this way, and then click OK. Now I want to create a shadow for the tail and then the fin over here as well. So just come to your topmost layer and then come down to the FX. You can even click the drop shadow right here, and then it will come up. And then since we've already created the shadow effect, when you click OK, it's going to give you a matching shadow to the one over here already. And that's it. You have your text effect nicely created. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you are new to Photoshop, I want to let you know that I'll leave a link down in the description to a playlist I've created for complete beginners in Photoshop. So if that's something you'll be interested in, make sure to check the description down below after this video. And also, if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.